Welcome to Road Signs for Driving Tests. Whether you're preparing for your big day or just brushing up on essential driving knowledge, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll go over 50 crucial road signs that every driver should know. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a driving tip. Let's get started. A lane 2 and 3 closed ahead sign notifies drivers that these lanes will be inaccessible, requiring them to merge into open lanes. When you see a keep right sign, it directs you to stay on the right side of the road or barrier for safe navigation. The crosswind sign serves as a warning that strong winds may impact vehicle stability, urging caution. A motorway restaurant sign indicates the availability of dining facilities along the motorway for travelers seeking refreshments. The one-way sign ensures that traffic flows exclusively in the indicated direction, preventing opposing movement. Can you identify this sign? B. Keep right. Are you familiar with this sign? B. Motorway restaurant. Do you know what this sign indicates? C. One way. If you're looking for accommodations, a lodging sign points out the presence of nearby hotels or motels. The Keep Left sign mandates that vehicles remain on the left side of the road or designated divider to maintain orderly traffic flow. A turn left ahead sign notifies motorists that a left turn is required at the next intersection. The dangerous goods route sign designates a specific pathway for vehicles transporting hazardous materials, ensuring safety compliance. A pedestrian crossing sign highlights a designated area where pedestrians have the legal right-of-way, urging drivers to slow down. To assist travelers, the direction and distance to a tourist information point sign provides guidance to nearby information centers. The level crossing without gate ahead sign warns of an approaching railway crossing that lacks gates or barriers, requiring extra vigilance. Have you seen this sign before? A. Dangerous goods route. Does this sign look familiar? B. More details level crossing without gate ahead. Do you recognize the meaning of this sign? A. Keep left. Marking a pedestrian-friendly zone, a zebra crossing sign is distinguished by white striped road markings. The pedestrian and bicycle crossing ahead sign informs road users of an upcoming shared crossing space for both pedestrians and cyclists. Drivers encountering a checkerboard reverse curve sign should prepare for a sequence of sharp turns. The object marker, one direction, sign directs vehicles to pass an obstacle on the specified side to avoid collisions. A steep downgrade sign cautions motorists about a significant downhill slope, often advising reduced speed. A falling rock sign signals the potential risk of rock slides, particularly in mountainous or cliffside areas. Cyclists can locate secure parking spots by following the bicycle parking sign, which designates official parking areas. What does this sign represent? C. Steep downgrade. Can you recognize this sign? B. Checkerboard reverse curve. Have you encountered this sign? A. Zebra crossing. A no U-turn sign strictly prohibits turning back at the marked location to prevent traffic disruptions. The Stop Children Crossing Ahead sign alerts drivers to areas frequently used by school children, necessitating reduced speed and heightened awareness. The End of Controlled Parking Zone sign informs motorists that parking restrictions no longer apply beyond this point. As a precautionary measure, a Stop Sign Ahead sign notifies drivers of an upcoming stop sign, allowing them time to decelerate. An uneven road sign forewarns drivers about irregular road surfaces that may affect vehicle handling. The Side Road with Parallel Tracks, right sign, indicates the presence of a side road running alongside railway tracks on the right. Is this sign familiar to you? B. Uneven road. Do you know what this sign indicates? C. End of Controlled Parking Zone. Can you identify the meaning of this sign? B. No U-turn. The no stopping sign explicitly prohibits vehicles from stopping at any time, ensuring continuous traffic flow. A truck entrance sign signals an entry point primarily used by large commercial vehicles, urging caution when approaching. When encountering a keep left of obstacle sign, drivers must maneuver their vehicle to the left to avoid the indicated obstruction. The junction ahead, leading to a tourist attraction sign, provides advance notice of an intersection directing visitors to a nearby point of interest. A direction to tourist attraction, indicated by a symbol sign, uses a recognizable icon to guide travelers to a specific destination. The railroad crossing with three-striped warning sign prepares drivers for an upcoming railway crossing, using warning stripes as an indicator. A no bicycles sign clearly states that cycling is not permitted within the designated area. When approaching a hairpin curve ahead sign, drivers should anticipate an extremely sharp bend requiring careful maneuvering. A two-way traffic sign advises motorists that vehicles will be traveling in both directions along the upcoming stretch of road. What does this sign indicate? A. Railroad crossing with 3 striped warning. Have you seen this sign near certain vehicles? B. Truck entrance. Does this sign provide guidance for travelers? C. The railroad crossing crossbuck sign serves as a universal indication of a railway crossing, marked with a prominent X symbol. A dip sign alerts drivers to an unexpected depression in the road that may require slower speeds to navigate safely. In areas marked by a bighorn sheep area sign, drivers should remain vigilant for wildlife crossing the roadway. A keep right sign reminds motorists to stay to the right of a divider or obstruction to maintain orderly traffic movement. The no-turn sign prohibits any turning maneuvers at the intersection, ensuring traffic moves straight ahead only. A narrow underpass sign warns of a low-clearance tunnel or bridge, prompting drivers of large vehicles to assess their height restrictions. The telephone at level crossing sign identifies an emergency phone near a railway crossing, available for use in case of incidents. A speed camera ahead sign alerts motorists to upcoming automated enforcement cameras monitoring speed limits. When driving on a road with a one-way traffic sign, vehicles must strictly adhere to the indicated direction to avoid conflicts. Can you recognize this sign on the road? B. Keep right. What does this sign warn drivers about? A. Railroad crossing. Have you seen this sign in tight spaces? A. Narrow underpass. A no littering sign reminds individuals to dispose of waste properly, maintaining cleanliness in the area. The no left turn or straight ahead sign restricts drivers from continuing straight or making a left turn at the intersection. A no entry sign is placed at locations where vehicles are strictly prohibited from entering, preventing unauthorized access. The tractor crossing sign warns of slow-moving agricultural vehicles frequently crossing or traveling along the road. For cyclists, a U.S. bicycle route sign marks an officially designated bike-friendly route within the National Cycling Network. That's a wrap on our road signs guide. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more educational content, and drop any questions in the comments below. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe.